Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable eye tracking in iPhone with iOS 18. Eye tracking is a cool new feature in iOS 18 that allows you to control your iPhone using your eyes. It is still in the beta development, so it is not perfect yet, but it is getting better with each update. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable eye tracking on your iPhone and how to use it. Note that eye tracking feature is available on iPhone 12 and newer models running on latest iOS 18. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Accessibility. Next, tap on Eye Tracking. At the moment, eye tracking option is disabled. So tap Toggle button to enable it. Just follow on-screen instructions to calibrate your eye tracking. Once your eye tracking is calibrated, you can use it to control your iPhone. To select an item, simply look at it for a few seconds. Note that eye tracking is still a new feature, so it is not perfect yet. It may not work correctly in all the situations. If you are having trouble with eye tracking, you can try recalibrating it. You can simply disable eye tracking at any time by going to Settings, then Accessibility, then Eye Tracking and tapping Toggle button to disable. So that is how you can enable eye tracking in iOS 18 on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.